Today we are going to discuss about Autonics PRL18 5AO proximity sensor. Let's unbox this proximity sensor. Here, we get this package, and on top, we have its model number and quick response code. Now, let's open this. First, we get user manual, where all the parameter and setting is given. After that, we get mounting nuts for the proximity sensor for fixing and holding in the R application. And in last, we have our proximity sensor. Proximity sensors can weigh between 80 to 220 grams. And it has a 2-meter cable with it. Here is the main 2-wire for the connection in the series. Sensors are versatile and can be used with a wide range of materials and object types. So, here is the R sensor housing with sensor end bell. And in the top, we have indication light for better understanding. And on top, we get sensing face, which has green color, and it works as electromagnetic field created by the sensor emanates from the here. Now let's see how it works. First, we will turn on the switch. In the center, we have a contactor for this demonstration, where detection occurs and the sensor switches on when a metal target of the sensor disturbs that field and reaches the operation point. The sensor switches off when the target moves away from the sensor and reaches the release point. Proximity sensor has limited sensing range, up to 4 mm maximum, and detects only metal objects. Technical specification. Wire type and power, AC 2 wire type 100 to 240 volt AC. Sensing side diameter, M18. Sensing distance, 5 mm. Installation, flush. Standard sensing target, 18 x 18 x 1 mm iron. Response frequency, 20 Hz. Current specification, leakage current, maximum 2.5 mA. Control output, normally open. Material, brass nickel plated. Cable standard material, standard cable. Protection structure, IP67, IEC standard. Body length, long body. Environment ambient temperature, -25 to 70 degrees Celsius, storage, -30 to 80 degrees Celsius. Environment ambient humidity, 35 to 95% RH, storage, 35 to 95% RH. Hysteresis distance, maximum 10% of sensing distance. Residual voltage, maximum 10 volt. Insulation type, double insulation or reinforced insulation, dielectric strength between the measuring input part and the power part, 1 kV. Weight, approximately 142 g, approximate 130 g.